Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to add station elevation labels to profile view in Civil 3D, and we will also label our existing and proposed profiles with the depth level. Profile view annotation label individual points in a profile view, but they are not always tied to a specific profile object like a pipe. Profile view labels can be station elevation labels. Depth labels are projection labels. Projection labels are tied to entities or projected from plan view. Station elevation labels can be used to label a single point or the depth between 2 points in a profile, while recognizing the vertical exaggeration of the profile view and applying the scaling factor to label the correct depth. Just open 712 profile view label drawing, which you can get from the description. I will put there. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will send you personally. Just zoom to the row D profile grid view, which you can see here. From the annotation here, labels and tables panel, just click here, not here. Okay, add labels. So add label dialog box will be appear to you. In feature drop down here, just select profile view, and in the label type drop down, just verify that station elevation is selected. In the section here, station elevation label style, just verify that station and elevation is selected and marker style is set to basic circle with cross. Just click add button here, and when prompt to select a profile view, just click a grid line in the row D profile grid profile view, and a vertical red line will appear like this. Now zoom in around station 0 plus 347 so that you can see the point where the existing ground and layout profile cross, just here. Just turn off your running or snap and pick this profile crossover point visually. Just select here, and if you see on the command bar, you will see specify elevation. We will accept this elevation and just press enter. Now you can see your station and elevation label something like this. In the add label dialog box, change both label types and depth label style to the depth option. Here it will also change to the depth, and then click the button add. Okay, pick the row D profile grid view and pick a point along the layout profile anywhere. For example, I want to check depth here and here, so first select on the layout profile and then existing profile. Now if you see, the depth between the two profiles will be measured, and labels will show you that the depth is 0.64 meter between layout profile and existing profile. So this is how you can annotate your profile view with station and elevation labels and depth labels. If you have any projection, like you have any pipe networks and you want to show in your profile view, then you can use projection labels to show labels for that projected object. Hope you like this video. For these type of advanced Civil 3D videos, stay tuned with us.